In this example, two forces P and Q are such that magnitude of R is equal to magnitude of P. Now the angle between the resultant of 2P and Q and the Q vector is theta. Then find out the value of theta. Okay, here angle between P vector and Q vector is, let's say, theta. Vector P plus vector Q is equal to resultant R. So write down the equation. Vector R square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Here two vectors are tail to tail vectors, so resultant can be written by this formula. Now we know that magnitude of vector R is equal to magnitude of vector P. So P square is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. P square cancel. So Q square plus 2PQ cos theta is equal to 0. So Q square plus, now see here 2PQ cos theta. So it is the dot product between P and Q vector. Right, we can write like this way, PQ cos theta. So dot product between vector P and vector Q is equal to 0. This is my equation number 1. Now the angle theta between resultant of 2P and Q and the vector Q. So first of all, 2P vector plus Q vector, when these two vectors are added, let's say the resultant is R dash vector. Okay, so resultant of these two, that is R dash. 2P and Q का रिजल्टेंट क्या है, R डैश, और वो Q के साथ लेट्स से एंगल थीटा बना रहा है. ओके, नाउ बाय टेकिंग द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस टू R डैश एंड Q, सो R डैश वेक्टर डॉट Q, so magnitude of R dash, magnitude of Q, cos theta. So from here cos theta is equal to vector R dash dot vector Q divided by magnitude of R dash Q. What is this R dash vector? It is the resultant of 2P and Q. So can we write here 2P plus Q vector dot Q vector. We can write here कि this is our equation number 2 and here using equation number 2. Okay, divided by magnitude of R dash and magnitude of Q. Multiply here, so it is 2P Q vector plus Q square divided by magnitude of R dash, magnitude of Q. Here cos theta. Now see, this is known equation that 2P vector dot Q vector plus Q square. See equation number 1, by putting the value of equation 1, so this is 0 using equation 1. Cos theta is equal to 0. So theta is equal to 90 degree. Right. So our answer is theta is equal to 90 degree.